Welcome to Wonders of the First, a collectible card game. I hope you're excited to be among the very first Stoneseekers to chase these little relics, formless stones, from the creation of the very universe itself. Our game mechanics come from one of the most brilliant minds I've ever had the pleasure of being around. Brian Tinsman was the lead on 8 Magic the Gathering sets. The Wonders of the First character art, it speaks for itself. Every single card will take you on an adventure. All across this world, across 6 orbitals, you'll run into all different types of wonders, large and small. You will summon your wonders into battle across 7 realms. You will equip them to go head-to-head with your opponent, seeking to capture the stone hidden in each realm. But beware. If you capture a stone early in the game, your opponent can steal it later. Hold the most stones at the end, and you are the winning Stoneseeker. Another thing to understand is that we believe in the first C in CCG. Collectability runs in our DNA, and you will see it in everything we produce. One of our most bold takes as it relates to collectability is that we will not reprint cards. We have a bill of rights for you. It is the Wonders way. Now, games that were developed 30 years ago, they probably couldn't exist without reprints, but Wonders of the First can. Brian brought his experience to the table to develop a game from the ground up that is capable of existing for decades and decades without reprinting cards.